Hey, so welcome back to part 3 of the Superfood Energy Balls. I am going to start with a shot of what the two mixes look like. So this one is the rolled oats, the 5 seeds wheat germ. This one has pistachios, goji berries, dates, and cherries in it. And then this one, again, the same rolled oats, the 5 seeds, the wheat germ. This one has white chocolate chips, cranberries, and macadamia nuts. So I realized I'm not going to be able to make these the way I normally do. Normally I put them in little cupcake tins and leave them that way. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to spread them out on cookie sheets and cut them into squares. So I have the sprayed cookie sheets here. And what I'm gonna do, because I had so much trouble mixing up that white chocolate macadamia one, I'm gonna mix them in here. I'm gonna mix this one in here, put it over there, and then transfer this contents into here and remix it. So I'm gonna move these out of the way. The first thing I'm gonna put in here is ground cinnamon. I absolutely love cinnamon. You don't have to use it. And how much you use is up to you, depending on how much you like it. I'm gonna pretty much douse this in cinnamon. And then take the very, very little bit that's left and I'm gonna put it in this other bowl for later. Okay, and then I got raw agave nectar and molasses. So, I'm gonna open these. I wanna make sure that I only use less than half of these so that I can, do both batches. I don't know how much it's gonna need of either one of these. They're super sticky. This is to bind the ingredients together so that you can actually eat them. And then it's not just granola. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so agave nectar is nothing like honey, apparently. I had no idea. So that was, I would call that like a third of the bottle. Molasses, on the other hand, I'm very familiar with, and it's going to be really, really slow. And again, I don't measure things. It's just kind of, however much I feel like. So this bottle's not see-through, so I can't show you how much I used. I don't know how much I used. Yeah, anyway, maybe a cup. And now I am just going to mix these together. And I want to make sure that everything gets really, really well coated. So I'm going to be mixing these for a while. And as I go through this, I might find that it is still too dry. And I'll add more molasses and agave to it, just to kind of get them to stick. Don't fall out. This is really hard to work through now because there's molasses in it and it's super thick and heavy. But this is what it looks like now. Total color change from something that kind of looked like that. So let's see. I don't know where I can put the camera over here. So we'll go with here. I'm gonna use the right pan. It's like no matter how much you mix them together, there's like always gonna be something that didn't get coated. So there's some in here. I did not realize how much I made. Oopsies. Okay, so there's still some seeds and oats in here, but for the most part, like I got all the different berries and the pistachios out of here. Because I'm gonna reuse that bowl. And I'm just gonna smooth this down so that it's kind of even, just to make it a little more uniform later when I'm ready to eat these. And that seems good to me. So this is what it looks like on the tray. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the freezer. I got some on my hands, they're so good. Love cinnamon and molasses together, it's delicious.